To check your transaction history on YouTube, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the platform to find your purchase records. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Open the YouTube app or website and sign into your account using your Google credentials. Ensure you are logged into the account where the transactions were made. Step 2. Access your purchases. Once signed in, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Purchases to view a list of your transactions. Step 3. View transaction history. In the Purchases section, you will see a detailed list of all your transactions, including rentals, purchases, and subscriptions. Click on any item for more details about that specific transaction. Step 4. Check payment method. If you need to verify how you paid for a transaction, look for the payment method listed next to each transaction. This will show whether you used a credit card, PayPal, or another payment option. Step 5. Download your history if needed. If you want to keep a record of your transaction history, you can take a screenshot or note down the details. Currently, YouTube does not offer a direct download option for transaction history. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on YouTube. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore YouTube's Help Center.